Let's talk about setprecision in C++. The setprecision manipulator in C++ is used to control the number of digits displayed for floating point values when outputting them to a stream. It is part of the I/O manip library. Setprecision allows you to specify the number of significant digits, or the number of digits after the decimal point for floating point numbers. Like float and double, it is particularly useful for formatting output, such as displaying currency values with a specific number of decimal places, or ensuring consistent precision in scientific calculations. How to use setprecision inside your code. Include the I/O manip header. You must include this header to use setprecision. Write fixed and put number 2 inside the setprecision. It will display the 2 digits after the decimal point. There are differences between using setprecision with and without the fixed manipulator in C++. Without fixed manipulator, the setprecision specifies the total number of significant digits to be displayed, including both the digits before and after the decimal point. Setprecision with fixed specifies exactly the number of digits to display after the decimal point, regardless of how many digits are before it. Here are examples of using setprecision without fixed, and with fixed, inside a program. Please take notes on the differences.